wondering what had happened, Sam looked around, and to his surprise, the egg had somehow moved beneath the living room sofa. Huh? Did it fall? Oh no! Did it crack? Startled, he picked one up, but egg was whole, not broken at all. Phew! Thank goodness! I thought it was broken. Seram sighed in relief, and carried the egg back to the kitchen. Just then, a strange sound began. What's that noise? He whispered, listening closely. To his astonishment, the sound was coming from inside the egg. What? There's something in there? With a sharp sound, the shell broke open, and from the darkness within, a tiny black beak poked its way out. Oh my gosh! His voice ringing out in the kitchen.